A sitz bath is a simple yet effective therapy that helps relieve discomfort in the lower part of the body. It's used by both men and women for various medical conditions. You'll need a sitz bath basin, warm water, a thermometer to check the temperature, a towel for drying, and, if prescribed, an antiseptic solution. To set up, place the sitz bath basin securely on a clean toilet seat. Fill it with warm water, ensuring the temperature is between 37 to 39 degrees Celsius for comfort and safety. You can add a few drops of antiseptic solution if advised by your doctor. Sit carefully on the basin, ensuring the affected area is submerged in the water. Relax in this position for 10 to 15 minutes. You can use it 2 to 3 times daily, depending on the severity of your symptoms. After the bath, gently pat the area dry with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing to prevent irritation. If prescribed, you can apply any ointment or cream recommended by your doctor. Always ensure the water is warm, not hot, to avoid burns. Clean the sitz bath basin thoroughly after each use. If discomfort or symptoms persist, consult your doctor immediately. A sitz bath is recommended for conditions such as hemorrhoids, anal fissures, perineal pain, post-delivery care in women, and prostate issues in men. It also provides relief from anal itching or swelling. Sitz bath is commonly recommended is menstrual period pain. Don't forget to watch our next video, where we'll discuss what menstrual periods are and why females experience them every month.